Hi guys, today we're going to fold a hydrangea. If you're looking for this version instead, check out the link below. Fold it in half like this. Unfold it and fold it in half. Now you have a cross crease. Now fold both sides in to meet the center crease, like folding a door. Make sure the edges line up neatly. Next, bring the top and bottom edges toward the center. Now fold the paper diagonally, corner to corner, to make a triangle. Unfold it, then fold it diagonally the other way. Unfold. Use your fingers to guide the folds from the inside, just like this. It should start to collapse into a layered shape, like closed lips. Now open up each flap and flatten it down, just like this. When you are done, you'll see 4 flaps forming a square. Flip the paper over. Now take just one of the corners and fold it in toward the center. Now it's time to shape the petals. You can fold the tips in however you like. Feel free to play around and make it your own. Gently fold in the upper edges to round out the petal. It gives the flower a softer, more natural look. Pause here and make 3 more just like this one. Then, fold a special one for the center, like the one on the right. Let's make the leaf now. Fold the paper in half into a triangle with the white side facing up. Now fold it diagonally. This will create the center crease of the leaf. Flip it over and start folding the leaf veins. You can fold as much or as little as you like, depending on the look you want. Make sure the folds stay aligned and vertical. Flip as needed while you go. Unfold the paper and shape the leaf however you like. You can trim or fold the edges to get the look you want. Make as many leaves as you like. Once you've made your leaves, glue everything together to finish. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.